We are here at Apple Orchard with a sunflower farm, raspberry farm, but the raspberry is already done. Not picking, close already. There's a lot of people spending their Thanksgiving. Hi guys. There you go. Hindi masyadong malalaki ang sunflower nila ngayon. At saka patapos na kasi ang season. Umaambon. Malamig na. Hindi na ganun kaganda ang pero at least naabutan pa. Nag-enjoy pa.